So I have made a few new prompts. I have done academic AI analysis, which is a bit speculative, keyword and stats extraction, create BibTeX as a part of trying to make the system be able to generate visual meta through doing this and doing basic processing, and to find headings to also contribute to visual meta. So let's run through a few things in this document. We'll do the analysis first. So I think it's pretty good. This is the kind of thing that the end user should be able to update and edit the prompts themselves, because I've added all kinds of funky things here related to our world. Please feel free to pause the video if you want to read these. And then we have the more prosaic keywords and stats. I'll just move it off to the side here. Notice the quality of this PDF. The text is pretty awful, but it still finds it. So here it finds names, keywords, and then it lists the names in context. And at the bottom here, it has the word count, reading level, yeah, that's funny, I have to edit this, of course. The word count may be used to decide how we're going to visualize the document as thick or thin or something. So these are things towards that. And then this is kind of cool. Well, create BibTeX is useful. It tries to figure out this paper when it was published, and it gets it really, really good. So the idea is to use this bit in a visual meta appendix, supplemented with this one, where it tries to find the headings, and it puts it in a visual meta format. And it is correct. I've already had a look. You can see two of them right there. So let's look at a more modern paper. We can do a bit of an analysis. Just move it off to the side so we can see both at the same time. So it knows who wrote the paper, it has its conclusion and summaries, and it knows a little bit about these two gentlemen. And it goes through all kinds of things. So that works, and then we'll go to keywords and stats. This is taking a while, which of course is the reason why I'm looking to append these into the document. Here it found some names, keywords, names and context, word count, and reading level. So it's a long one, 12,000 words. We will also try to see, well, let's do the BibTeX first actually. Obviously, if there is a DOI, it should get that, but that's not always available. So in this case, it got the year. Yes, it is 2023. It got Mark and Millard. Title. Yeah, pretty good in my mind. And then finally, I haven't actually tried that for this paper. We're going to look at the headings. Going to put them next to each other, see what it finds. So that's pretty good. Abstract, CSS concept, keywords, introduction. Oh yeah, I found the reference format. So reference format, it still calls it. Yeah, so the level is not very good at finding the right level. 7 hypertexts. Yeah, so maybe we shouldn't be so trying to figure out the levels, but it does figure out the headings. So we have a discussion. After discussion, we have, yeah, I think that's pretty good. Anyway, just an update. Thanks for looking.